Is a world turned upside down. We've got mirrors, we've got reflecting pools, we've got narcissism, we've got self-indulgence. It's all bullshit, isn't it, really?
Man, what is going on, YouTube family? Today we seen a massive drawdown. Tesla ended 6.34% down today. 2 days after I posted a video, don't buy the dip. You may have wanted to buy this dip, but don't buy it. What I have up right now is my master chart, Tesla master chart. And as you can see, this is today on open. Everyone was trying to get out the door first. Selling pursued the moment the market opened. My tape lines don't lie. Rejected right at that 348 and then immediately sold off throughout the rest of the day. I'm actually about to go through a couple time frames on this chart. I'm actually about to tap a couple nerves because I'm still seeing bulls. And it's okay to be a bull, but being a bull at the wrong time and sending sheep over the cliff. I seen people trying to buy the dip at 350. Why? Save your money. There will be lower lows. Just like today, there were lower lows. Multiple. It was breaking a new low throughout the entire day. You got to love it. So I'm going to be pulling up the full Tesla chart here just to run down exactly the behavior that I see will occur on the stock. And I actually brought this up already in my previous Tesla video. I just want to point out a couple things. One, there's a whole lot more lines on this chart than my previous video chart. And again, this is my master chart. Right off the bat, here's the megaphone, the bearish megaphone channel from 2022, 2023. And then you see the second one that I had made an example on the previous video. This is current times. Zooming in here, you see this 20 MA. Look at the stock, 2022, that 20 MA. Let's move it right over. Current times. This is the stock, the trend, 20 MA. What do you guys think is going to happen next? I'm moving lines. Let me put that back. What do you guys think is going to happen next? We have been in a full throttle recycle market. I'm going to get to the point. In 2022, post split, Tesla split 3 times since 2020. The last split, there was that short report. Tesla is no longer selling cars like the previous 2 years. China sales down. The stock dips, it drops, it falls. Here in 2023, the beginning of the year, notice something. 1/8/2023. Robo-taxi, autonomous driving was first mentioned. The stock runs up. Kathy Woods is buying. Hand over fist at these levels. She is major permeable at these levels. The stock runs up. Obviously, that earnings miss. The stock runs down. We get to 2024. Again, beginning of the year. We Robot was announced. For August, the stock runs up. August, July, this is July. August, or where are we at? Stock comes off a bottom from the July sell-off. August, we get the delay. We get the delay on We Robot event. Throughout September, he was on a trail. You know what trail he was on. He was doing his thing. This is why the stock went up. He got in the race. The stock comes down. We Robot event. Post and pre We Robot event, the stock came down. Earnings, end of October, the stock goes up. The stock sells off. Made a base at 245. Now, I should have a post here already being put on a screen to show that I said buy the stock. And again, it's due to this campaign trail he was on back here through July through September. That 245, you see it on a chart, became base 240. If you actually were trading Tesla around these levels, you knew how important this 240 level was. So when you see post earnings, it sells off and creates a nice base, you know something major is about to happen. And again, you got to think, what was around the corner? November 5th. Look at this huge green candlestick. Let me put a pause to this. What happened in 2022? Stock sells off, short report. 2023, Robotaxi. Stock sells off, end of 2023. 2024, beginning 2024. Robotaxi We Robot event was announced. Again, sells off. That is a recycle. The same news. The rest of the market, fluff. Since November, it's been all fluff, all hype. Everything above 265. I'm going to bring this up. This 265, I'm going to tie it back in. All fluff since November 5th. My previous video, I mentioned shorted at 480. Here's why. This is why I have the master chart up. The master chart, 480. Let's talk about this channel here. Bold black lines, top and bottom. It was a continuation on the uptrend from 2022. You see it? It's a continuation. It's what should have happened. So again, it's a recycle. You see, it comes around, pops back up into this uptrend channel. It could not break out of this channel. It could not hold it. The two red lines gave me the guaranteed downtrend. Let's zoom in. You see it, top line. Did not break. Top line did not break. You see these two here. Long shadow wicks. Long shadow wicks here. All into this red channel. That's the downtrend channel. That's the bearish channel. It was dragging. Wasn't as simple. It looks very clean and simple here. But on a daily, I had to make sure. As you see, it was bouncing around in this channel. But we had a nice stop here. I'm telling you, these tape lines are real. I get real surgical with this. You see from 110, what is this? 113, 127, 128, 130, and 131. You see how This was a sideways trend channel.